Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 29th. That is on Friday. But before I actually get started, if you are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, especially those of you that are having trouble, checking out the Patreon channel, now the channel is now available. So the link to the channel will be in the comment section. So there we put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is exactly what we will be putting out on that channel. So if you are interested, all you just have to do is go to the link in the comment section, subscribe, you get access to those trades. And these are a couple of trades we've actually taken so far this week. You can see we took a trade on both Nasdaq 100, Eurocard, and GBPUSD. So basically, you will see the link to this playlist in the comment section, so you can come here to watch some of those trades we've taken from Monday to, up to now. So on Friday, we are very much likely to look for another trade to take. That is if we get a confirmation. Right now, we don't think we can get, but we will watch out for it. Once we get it, we are going to send it on the Patreon channel. So if you are interested, the link will be in the comment section. So let's start with the trend on GBPUSD. Let's start at first. GBPUSD was kind of bullish around this level, right? And right now, what can you see? It is now bearish. It is now giving us a lower lows and a lower highs, right? You will see something like this. This is the trend resistance, and this here will be the trend support, right? What has GBPUSD got into? We saw it came to this trend resistance level. We saw it fell to this trend support. Then we saw it came again to this trend resistance level. Now it has been dropping so far. It has now come to this our trend support level, right? Now, what are you going to be expecting right now? So probably throughout next week, we don't know, but we need a confirmation though. I will be seeing this price come to this trend resistance level, which probably maybe it is a time or not, but we need to watch out for it. Like I said, I'm going to give a confirmation on that. But with what I'm saying, it has now gotten to this our trend support. So of course, the next movement we should be expecting is this movement to this our trend resistance level. So I think for some time now we should be expecting some bullish move on GBP USD. This is one of the reasons why today, Thursday, GBP USD gave us a good bullish move. I mean, take a look at it. We had a good amount of a bullish move after this massive fall. So we are very much likely to see some couple of bullish move again. So not be surprised on GBP USD, like I said. But first, I would want to see it come to this level of 2 to 450, 1.2 to 450, that level. Can we break above it? Absolutely yes. That is what I'm saying. If in case we don't break above it and we tend to see a sell signal around here, I'm definitely going to share it on the Patreon channel. I'll be putting it on the Patreon channel. So if you are one of our Patreon subscribers, then you should be able to get that update, because we've been taking trade on GBP USD. I mean, from Monday we took a trade on GBP USD. You can see it Monday, September 25. We took a trade on GBP USD on Tuesday, September 26. We also took a trade. We also took a trade on this thing on Nasdaq 100, right? I think we took a trade on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also. So we did not. So we'll be looking probably to take a trade on Friday. That is if it gets the confirmation. That is why I'm saying I'll be watching for GBP USD to come to this level of 1.2 to 415. Then I'll have to watch out for it to see if price will actually fall from here, or if price will break above this level. So we just need to watch it and get some confirmation. So if you're interested, the link to the Patreon channel will be in the comment section.